come with me to do a Paraworks order. I feel like I haven't done any videos in the car for so long. And the reason behind that is because I don't have a good camera holder that works in the car. The camera holders I had, I feel like it wasn't stable enough in the car. So whenever I was driving, it would be shaking too much. But recently I purchased a phone camera holder that's pretty stable. So instead of using my digital camera, I'm going to just be recording this video with my phone. The quality might not be the same, but I feel like it'll be good enough. A little detail about this order. I accepted it this morning when I was going to get breakfast. I got a notification from Para saying that there's an order available. I checked it out. It was paying 25 bucks. It was only going like 7 miles. And the time of the order, it made sense. So it was going out for later on in the day. So it gave me about 8 hours to prepare for that order. The pickup time for that order is 6:40. Right now it's 5:45. So I'm about to head to the location soon. So that way I'm there early. After you accept the order, somebody will reach out to you to confirm that you can do the delivery. From this morning, a guy named Nick reached out to me about this order, just verifying that I'm still available to do this pickup. Unlike other orders, this order said that it's going to be done in the Para app. I just did a video on Paraworks. I said that the orders are going to require you to download another app. This order, it doesn't look like it's going to require me to download additional app. I'm about to head to the pickup location right now and let you guys know how it goes. I'm about 10 minutes away from the restaurant. It ended up being like an 18-minute drive, so not that far. And once I get there, I will record me going to pick the food up and show you guys visibly the process of what it's like to do an order. So that way, whenever you guys get the opportunity to do an order, you'll already have it down packed. When the order comes in, you have time to accept it because, like I said in my last video, it's not really that much competition. Yes, other people will claim an order, but you have a few minutes to accept it. They do remind you throughout the day that you have an order coming up, so you won't forget as long as you have your phone available. And so looking at the app right now, it say the distance is 7.8 miles. So that's the distance from the pickup location to the drop-off. It doesn't count your starting point. So just keep that in mind. And the job is paying $25. Usually it's more, but because this is only going less than 8 miles, that's probably why it's not $30 or more. The drop-off location, it is going to a college university. I never did a college university drop-off yet, so happy to see how that goes.
You got a classic ring or a classic Honolulu and one on the right side? Yeah,
that'll be it. I ended up being 30 minutes early to my pickup. I decided to just order some food from them while I wait. This is what I got. It's called Huli chicken. It's teriyaki chicken, and I got white rice and macaroni. The food is pretty good, and they got like some Hawaiian fruit punch. It's almost time to go inside and pick up the order. I have like 15 seconds left. And like I said in my last video, you're able to start the job 10 minutes before the pickup time. Okay, start job right now, and it's giving me the pickup instructions. So I'm about to run inside and pick up the order. I just picked up the food. It was about like 19 plates of food, so it's a pretty heavy order. And they do give you instructions on what to do when you go pick it up. So once you're done picking the food up on the app, you just gonna hit complete pickup, and then you head to your drop-off address. And then once you're done, you just add photos. So I'm about to head to the drop-off location right now. And yes, so it is a lot of food. So this is why I said that you do need a catering bag. So the drop-off location is about 20 minutes away from the pickup location. The one thing I didn't like was that it doesn't tell you what you're picking up. So you don't have an idea of if it's a large order or a small order, or the amount of food you're supposed to be picking up. So that's the only thing so far that I don't like. But other than that, You know, it's a pretty cool app. I made it to the drop-off location. I'm on the college campus, but it's not telling me where exactly I'm supposed to bring the food. It probably just gave me an address to the main campus building, but it's not necessarily telling me where exactly I'm supposed to bring the food. I'm going to reach out to see if they can help me. Hello?
Hello, this is Sophia.
Hey, Sophia. I'm calling from... I'm trying to deliver the order for Hawaiian Bros.
Oh, yeah. Yes. So, are you here?
Which building is it exactly?
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Perfect. Yep. Bye-bye.
All right, bye. I was able to get in contact with the customer, so she told me the address I need to go to. If you guys are lost or need help, you are able to get in touch with the customer. I just completed the drop-off. It was at a college campus. Looks like they're having a volleyball game. Drop-off complete. All I had to do was bring the food and take a picture once I'm done, and that's it. Once you complete it, they'll tell you when you're going to get paid, and that's pretty much it. That'll be how you do your first Paraworks order. So if you are interested in doing Paraworks, I'll put a link in my description on where to go to download the app. And once you have the app downloaded, now you know how to do your first order from start to finish. So I showed you in my previous video how to sign up on the app. In this video, I showed you the process of completing your first order from start to finish. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.